Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a new process video. So this one I am using my scrapbooking store October kit and I had so much fun making this. So I have decided to do an October documented album. I had bought two of these like fall type albums from Beth. I think it was last year or 2 years ago. It was a long time ago. And I never actually ended up using them. And so I pulled them out of my stash and I decided I was going to use both of them or one of them, just depending on how many photos I take this month. And I am going to do an October documented. I have never done an October album before. I know it's one of those things that kind of like December Daily, either you love it or you don't, and you do it or you don't. So I decided to give this a try because I've never tried it before. I am super excited about it. I really like how this cover page turned out. So this is just a traveler's notebook. I want to say it's like 6 by 8. Maybe it's like 5.75 by 6.8 or something. I think it's like the Kahir size. I think that's how you say it. And I buy all my traveler's notebooks from Beth because she's amazing. She's also known as Rock Your Notebook. So here you can see I have these Vicki Boutin crayons and I've never used these before. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do a little mixed media. The diaper wipe that I grabbed wasn't very wet, so I ended up putting some more water on using my Tim Holtz sprayer. That thing is seriously amazing. Can I just say that? If you are looking for a good spray mister, whatever you call those, it seriously is the best one I've ever used. Okay, so now here I'm going to bring in this cute little scallop, but then I'm thinking, well, that's not enough. It needs something more. So this is where I'm going to decide to bring in this plaid paper, gingham, I guess is the pattern. And I really like this pattern paper. It turns out perfect and it just works so well on this cover. So I'm going to glue down that sticker and then that top piece is all taken care of. Now you can kind of see the ombre effect that you're getting from the crayon down there on the bottom. And then this is where I decide to bring in an alpha. Now this is, I think, the Snow and Cocoa alpha. That's what I want to say. It came out with that collection. I could be wrong. I don't know. It's one of those American Crafts stickers from Christmas time. And then I add a couple of the upgrade embellishment leaves. And here you can see I am adding the title, which is just going to be October 2020. And I just kept it very simple. I thought about doing October daily. I thought about doing October documented, but I really just wanted it to be October 2020. So I'm going to pull out a different alpha, to write out 2020, and then that is going to be it for the title. Now I am going to pull up these leaves that are down on the bottom because it just looks too plain down there. I need to bring down that red paper and then the rest of that sticker. And then I'm going to start putting down some leaves. I cut the red plaid a little too long, so I did have to snip off the end right there. And then I'm just going to play around with a bunch of these leaves from the sticker sheet and the upgrade kit. And I really, really love how this turns out. So you can see the little phrase that I cut out from the 3x4 pocket earlier. I am going to bring that back in. And then also you see this cute little squirrel. I just thought he was the cutest thing. So I'm going to clean up a little bit here, and then I'm going to go through some of my new inks because I knew I needed the little autumn saying to stand out off of the background. So I'm going to decide to bring in an ink pad, and I'm just going to ink the edges, and it totally makes it pop. So here you can see I'm bringing in one. This one, I think, oh, I didn't really show it. I want to say it was nectarine. Oh no, sorbet, sorry. Then I brought in this paprika one because I really wanted it to be more orange than red, and the sorbet was a little more reddish than orange. So I am going to use this paprika ink, and this is one of the new ones that I got in my huge Close to My Heart haul. Make sure you check that out, and I will leave links below to that video and then also to my consultant's website. So Close to My Heart is starting this new thing called VIP. It's like a membership club where you pay $35 a month and you get like discounts and all of this stuff. It's really awesome. I'm going to join on payday. I'm going to join. But yeah, anyway, sorry. Totally off the subject, but that is it. I don't think I do much more. I'm going to kind of clean up a little bit, but I hope you enjoyed this process. I'm super excited about completing this album, and I hope that you will come on this journey with me. Oh, I did decide to add this little scrap down here just to finish off that cluster, and then that is going to be it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out all my links below, and if you want this kit, you better use my link so you can get your hands on it. Thanks for watching. Bye!